What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the process that I do here to make some signs. I don't know if you can see there, but this is a sheet of metal, 14 gauge. We are going to cut up a couple of signs for someone that they want. I already designed it on the computer, so now I just have to pretty much set this up. This is a 4x8 full sheet. This can only cut approximately 3x4, so I'm just gonna set it up over here. They want two 18-inch signs, so I'm just gonna set that up, get it all prepped, and show you guys exactly kind of how I do it. Obviously the design on the computer is a little bit more complex. I learned all that stuff in school a long time ago, but it's honestly not that bad. If you guys could play Sims, you could play that program. So, well, boys, today's video is going to be a little bit different, like I said, but I had to get this thing out of the garage just to get some space to get that Dodge in there with the sheet metal. But look at this thing. This thing's a beast. I have her here running. This thing hasn't been ran in such a long time. But this thing's a beast. I don't know what to do with this. I might sell it, to be honest, because we don't really use it now that we have the side-by-side. The side-by-side is just way more comfortable. But let me know what you guys want to see with this thing. I mean, this thing's a beast. And she runs phenomenal. 44s. Oh yeah. So here's the setup. I have another video showing exactly the setup I got here from Langmuir Systems. Langmuir Pro, I believe the name is. So I got the razor weld cut. It's a 45 ampere. It's plenty enough for what I'm doing. So you got the plasma cutter, you got the table, I got obviously the sheet metal there is ready to roll. I got a compressor for it from Home Depot a long time ago, and then just, you know, the whole setup for the CNC here. And then I got the laptop here in the home the machine, because I just plugged it in right now, as you can see. It's a pretty awesome device. Obviously this is only 14 gauge, so it cuts it like nothing. I've cut all the way up to 3/8 inch, and it cuts it like literally perfect. Like with a grinder you'll take forever, but this thing it takes 2 seconds. But yeah, other than that, this thing is ready to roll. I'm gonna put in the program now, and then I have to clamp this. Usually before I clamp this, I like to grind a little bit of the metal off and then just clamp it there so you can have good solid ground to cut. Well, here's the program loaded up into the computer. Everything's ready to go. It's clamped up there. I zeroed it out there, so I think we are good to go. Hit start and let her rip. Easy enough, boy. This thing's a beast, I'm telling you. Make sure it's nice and cut. Number 2. Oh, there you go, boys. That's the sign they wanted. Now I gotta get my grinder to take off all the dross. This side cuts pretty good. The back side, you can see, has a little bit of dross on it. Let's see if it focuses. But it'll come right off once I hit it with that little grinder. But that's about it. Easy peasy. Well, there you have it, boys. This thing is done. The little RR sign customer wanted. That's about it. Really, the longest part is setting up, and really the most difficult part, like I said, is the computer. As long as you get the design done, everything's pretty much easy. It's just plugging everything in, making sure you got the right metal, the right thickness, the right amperage, PSI, all the above. But yeah, other than that, you got the design here, and that's pretty much it. just click and go. So we'll see. Alrighty boys, so I made these yesterday actually. Made a couple of them, so I'm gonna give it to you guys. Just make sure you're subscribed to the channel, comment down below, and then I'm just gonna pick some random people from the comments and I'll shoot it over to you guys, hit you guys up. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you till next time. Let me know what you guys want to see.